What do you call that?
It's a melon.
No.
A baby watermelon.
No. It's you guess. What is fruit is this?
I don't know.
This is passion fruit.
Passion.
Oh. You open it like this. Ipa-watch diri sa camera. You watch in the camera. This one ba? Wow.
Bleh!
It's two yummy fruits.
Bleh!
No, this is not bleh. Can you taste it?
Bleh!
Yeah, try to taste it.
No, I don't want to.
Try to taste it.
That.
Sit down. Kicking.
Zoe.
This one. Okay, kicking will taste it. Tarungag taste. Ayaw paghawa sa camera. Kay dili ka makita sa camera. Inig taste.
Ma'am?
Dapat ipakita dili sa camera. Imong facial expression. Sige.
Mom, but I don't want to.
Sige, you try it. Try.
It's sour.
Ngiwa, pamanggani ka nakait. Like this ba? Mom, show to the camera.
Bleh.
Like this, oh. Okay, try. Try. No, wala pa gani. This one ba, oh? Yeah. Try it. Try it. Try it. It's a juice. Oy.
Zoe.
Ay, sige, ginamog tubig. You don't like it? Kicking.
Yes.
Ingna, I don't like the flash.
I don't like.
You hold it and I see it.
I don't like the flashlight.
Again, I don't like the fashion.
I don't like the fashion.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry, guys.
I can't do it.
I can't do it because it's bleh.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Follow
Ah, wala ka nakita. You sit down.
Thank you for watching. Follow and share. God bless. I love you all. Keep safe.
Picture.